Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. In today's video, I'm going to show how you can import a SOCO TXT or WW file into VTube-STEP in order to build a model or create a conversion to any other vendor type that's connected to VTube-STEP. So let's go ahead and get started. At the very bottom here of the import menu, you're going to see SOCO-TXT. The SOCO import files are either TXT or .ww files. And let's say you're going to use the SOCO import a lot. I would recommend that you go to this menu and move the SOCO import up. I'm going to just press on move up once, and then I'm going to hold the enter key down, and it's going to move quickly to the top. You're going to see the SOCO import is now at the top. Let's go ahead and load the SOCO import. We're going to have to select a file. You've got a file that's come in. The SOCO files don't have a diameter, so you could just add that if you want it. Make sure that you use whatever the current unit is. In this case, we're in inches, and it says in here, so inches or millimeters. And if you want to, you can supply a wall thickness here. The file name, it becomes the part number. The cut length is used to calculate the last leg. There is no last leg in this data. So let's go ahead and apply and close. Now at this point, you can send this out to any other kind of vendor that's connected to VTube-STEP. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to send an email to support@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.